Here is yet another tutorial on creating a transparent gradient text effect for Starbucks in Canva. Let's begin. First, I'll drag and drop my image onto my canvas. Then, I'll increase the image size to fit perfectly on my canvas, like this. From here, I'll go to text and type my text. Next, I'll increase the size of my text, select my font, and change its color to white. Then I'll add a new page and copy and paste the text into it like this. I'll download the second page as a PNG and select the transparent background. Now it's time to delete this second page. Next, I'll upload the newly downloaded image onto the first page. Then go to Apps and type Image Colorizer. Once opened, I'll select my text image and change the colors to light orange and dark green respectively. I'll then scroll down to transparency, set it to 100. And click Add to Design. Next, I'll delete this other text image, leaving me with this new gradients image. I'll go ahead and increase the size of the text gradient image to match the original text image. Then I'll go to Layers, Show Layers, and drag this text image right behind the second one like this. I'll duplicate the Starbucks image and place it right below this text image. From here, I'll remove the background of this image. Lastly, I'll choose this text, then go to Effects and select Hollow before decreasing the thickness to around 5. And that's how to create a transparent gradient text effect for Starbucks in Canva. If you want more of this magical design content, please like and subscribe.